Yes, hello everyone watching this video. Yes, your boy back once again, and I welcome you to this wonderful video. So if you are watching, kindly comment and also share so that other people can also enjoy it. So today guys, I have a very wonderful video, and I want you guys not to miss it. So shortly I will be taking you to some place, and this place is not so common here in the United Arab Emirates. So if you keep watching this video, you are going to see which place I am going to take you and what is there. So endeavor to watch this video from the beginning until the end. So guys, first of all, you know this place is not so common here in United Arab Emirates, and without even going further, I should tell you I shouldn't keep it a secret, and because there is no need of keeping secrets here, you just have to go straight to the point. You know, I'm going to take you to one of the beautiful place, and this place is a poultry farm. You know, it's not common to find a poultry farm here in the United Arab Emirates, so we are going to go there. And we see, I've been told there is a lot of bird species. There are so many, like maybe around 20. And so if you are a bird, if you like to enjoy birds, so this is the right time for you guys. Just follow me up and let's go check out what this place looks like, and also let's see the types of birds that are kept there. Yeah, I know it's gonna be a very good experience, so just follow me up and we go and check out this place. Let's go. Yeah, first of all guys, look around. This place looks very good and beautiful. It's well decorated with the green environment. Yeah, the ambience here is so wow, as you can see guys. Very nice. The view, the shade and everything is looking very nice guys. So actually one thing I like about Dubai and the whole entire UAE is the fact that they plant trees everywhere. So, and they have made it a must for everywhere to be a place for trees. They are trying to fight the desert. So as you can see, almost every place there must be trees, and this is actually one of the good things. Yeah, you know, it's even looking better than tropical countries where there is a lot of rainfall. Yeah, you can see green guys everywhere. Yes, everywhere there is green, and yeah, I like this environment. This is really nice. Yes. Wow, the place looks so nice. Yes, so guys, here we are, and this is the place I've been telling you about. And without going further, let's explore quickly. I've been given just a few minutes to be here, and let me show you how it is, and then we can go to another thing. So you can see here we have dove, kumara and food type. They feed on seeds, sunflower, wheat, barley, millet, peas. Country of origin is USA and North America. So you can see how they look like. Yes, we have very few inside here. As you can see, this one is one type, and yeah, let's go to another type and we see how it looks like. So also we have geese here on free range. As you can see, for them they are not put in sheds, and I think they are on free range, as you can see. Yeah, so, and guys, there is another one, another type of pigeon called fancy pigeon. As you can see, the fancy pigeon and they feed on seeds, sunflower, wheat, barley, millet, and peas. Then the country of origin is Germany, USA, and Russia. So this is how they look. There's so many of them here, so many, and they have even the nests where some of them have eggs and some of them are, let me see whether they are young ones. I can see some young ones there, but I don't think my camera will be able to zoom in. Yeah, but this is how it looks like, guys. Isn't this good, guys? Wow, look at this one here. Look at this. It doesn't even fear. It's not scared at all. Wow. So this is how it looks like. And yeah, let's go ahead and explore more. Here there is also another type, but I think it's also same as the other one. Yeah, because I don't see any label anywhere that like which shows which type is maintained, is kept here. So I don't know. Let's go on and explore more other types. Wow. Wow, there are so many, guys. So many. And here there is another type, guys. I don't know about this type, but the name is cork 2. And there is also another one called Nyasa lovebird. And all these ones feed on popcorns and seeds. The cockatoo originates from Australia, and these Nyasa lovebirds, they come from Pacific Islands and South America. So let's see what is here. But the wire mesh is so tight, it is so stiff that I don't know whether you will be able to see. There is this one here. There is this one. Wow, it has gone. But you can see them. I think this is the Nyasa bird. See, guys, look at that. Wow. These ones are enjoying themselves. Yeah, that is it, guys. Let's see this one. There is also this one here. Do not afraid to run away. Wow. I think this is the type of cockatoo. Yeah, this is the one, I think. And this one looks to be a male one. You know, usually birds, the male one is always the bigger one, and the small ones are always female ones. So you can tell, like this one is here. You can see they are very small, and that means these ones are female ones. Wow. That is it, guys. I hope you are enjoying this video. Yeah, so if you are enjoying, guys, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and share to your friends as well. Yeah, that is it. It is what it is. So, guys, we have turkeys here also. We have turkeys here, and you can see they are on free range. There it is. And here you can see this one is a male one. Guys, I don't know that type. This one here, I don't know it, but you can tell me if you know. So inside here you can see we have also chicken, and inside here there is also this. I don't know which type is this. I don't know, guys. You can tell us in the comment section which type is this apart from this one. This one is chicken, but there is then other one, this one. There is this one. I don't know which type is that. It looks not familiar. I've never seen this before. And what is amazing, guys, they have even put for the ducks and geese, they have put for them a water pond where they can enjoy. So it's like a natural environment, you know. They feel like they are well looked after, and this is good, you know. They now feel like they are free to do anything. So, and in the night they will just come back to their sheds. As you can see, they are enjoying, guys. Wow, try this. This one looks so natural, you know. It's very natural, guys. So guys, there is this one special type of bird, and this one you shouldn't miss it. You can hear it in the background. If you hear that noise, I believe if you have ever heard about it, then you can now tell which bird I'm going to show you. This one is not so common in Africa, so I have gotten a chance to see it right here in the United Arab Emirates. So let me show you without wasting time. Enjoy, guys. So this is the bird, guys. If you have ever seen this type of bird, please tell us in the comment section and tell us how it behaves in terms of reproduction, in terms of feeding and all other characteristics. Yeah, for me it's my first time seeing this. I've never seen it before. Like, I usually see it in magazines, in films, in videos. So this is my first time coming close to it. So if you know about it, guys, you can highlight me about this bird. This is I just know the name, but I had never seen it physically. So these ones, they are actually two, and these ones are female ones. Usually the female ones, like I told you, are always small. So if you want to identify birds, you just look at the size and know this is a female one or this is a male one. So these are two female, and I will show you a male one. It looks like it's hiding. The male one is hiding, but let me try to see whether I can find where it is hiding. Let me look. Oh yeah, it's here in the corner. Yes, it's hiding here, guys. As you can see, there it is. It's moving. It's trying to dodge me, but I will try to see whether I can get it clearly. So there it is. Oh, wow, it looks very nice, you know. Wow, here it is, guys. I'm having it clearly, and that is a male one. Usually the male one is so decorated, like it looks more beautiful to attract the female ones. As you can see, it's even shy. It doesn't want to look in the camera. I think maybe it thinks that I am going to disturb its peace. Wow, that is it. So guys, apart from birds, we also have rabbits. Yes, there are rabbits here. No, we don't have. Actually, I am including myself as if it's ours. No, I am just forgetting this is not ours, but theirs. So there are also rabbits here, guys. As you can see them resting here. Those are rabbits. Yeah, around there are around 5 of them here. Yeah, chilling. They are chilling inside, and that is their cage. As you can see, it's a small one. I don't know whether they have young ones inside, but yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, the place is locked. I would have entered and show you how they are, but the place is locked, so just enjoy the video from the outside. Yes, so guys, that was for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and I hope to see you in my next video. Just don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Yeah, see you in my next video. Ciao.